How to delete Amazon browsing history. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your browsing history on your Amazon app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Amazon app. So now once you're on your app, you have to tap on your profile in the bottom here. Then here you have to tap on your account. Then here in your account, scroll down and tap on your recently viewed items. So here you will see all of your browsing history on your Amazon app. To remove a particular product from your browsing history, tap on remove from view and that item will be removed. If you want to remove all the items at once, you can tap on remove all item from view. If you want to turn your recently viewed items off, tap on off and tap on turn off browsing history. And so this is how you can delete your Amazon browsing history on your Amazon app. Thanks for watching.